What are dental implants? In simple terms, a dental implant is a titanium screw that replaces the root of a lost tooth and is designed to stabilize a tooth, denture, or bridge. It mimics the natural function of a tooth's root and fuses with the jawbone through a process called osseointegration. Dental implants provide benefits such as fixed replacement of lost teeth, avoidance of removable appliances, and restoration of masticatory function and aesthetics. They are typically made of titanium, a highly biocompatible material, and are surgically inserted into the jawbones. There are various types of dental implants, including single-tooth implants, bridges, and dentures, with different materials used, such as zirconia or advanced ceramics. Dental implants represent a means for oral healthcare providers to have a significant impact on overall health and wellness. Click on the link below for a consultation with one of our dentists at MDEX. It would be our pleasure to guide you and answer all of your questions. I am Dr. Bak, MDEX, for joy for life.